As everybody knows, I'm a huge fan of the cracked ice cards that come out of this product. So we are looking for a cracked ice of Wentz, Dak, Henry, Zeke. I'll take a Goff. I'll take Mike Thomas. Yeah, I mean, those cracked ice cards, man, they go for a lot of money. They're very nice to hold long term. Super short prints, most of them, I think, are out of 23 or 25, I want to say. Panini likes the cracked ice so much that they actually put it into their national VIP packs. Just so everybody knows their divisions, everybody loves JC, has the AFC West, which is a really good spot to have, except for in the year 2016. NFC West is Bud Monkeys, AFC North is also Bud Monkeys. NFC North, AFC East, and NFC South are all Soul Investor. AFC South and NFC East are Jason Davis. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. This is one of the boxes that I bought off of eBay, so I'm glad to see that I opened it and there's not a whole bunch of, I don't know, 88 MLB in it. It's good that it's not resealed. You're only golf hunting. Really like these cards, really like the Contenders in general. Stuff is nice with the cracked ice, and the autos look nice too. I don't know, I like the design of these cards. Obviously just not for draft picks. We don't buy draft picks. We only buy pro uniforms. Big Matty Saint, what's up, baby? Hope everyone's enjoying this holiday weekend. Big Drew on top. That's where we'll start this off so I don't get too ahead of myself with all these cards. Turn that off real quick. I hope I'm still live for everybody. Give it a second. We got Drew Brees season ticket. I'll always ship those. Eli Manning, Matt Forte, Carlos Hyde, Big Andrew Luck, old Doug Martin, Ryan Matthews, Demaryius Thomas, Instant, Kids Report, coming back to old Phillip Rivers. You know this guy doesn't cuss during games. This guy will talk so much shit during games, but does not use a single curse word. If you don't believe me, look it up on YouTube. It's so funny. Old Marvin Jones Jr. I didn't even realize Marvin Jones Jr. has been in the league that long. I thought he was 2017. Brock Osweiler, TJ Yeldon, old Sammy Watkins, Jordan Reed, Jamal Charles. This is going to be our first auto. Nope, just a patch. Just a patch of Joey Bosa rookie. Joey Bosa rookie. Good thing I always keep the thick loaders on deck, even though I don't use them that much. I have to go grab another loader. Joey Bosa. Mike Wallace. Jordy Nelson. These are all messed up. Julian Edelman and Todd Gurley. Von Miller, Sherman, AJ Green, Matty Ice, Kids Report, OBJ, Brandon Marshall, Bowman, Macklin, Langford. Wish this had some ink on it. Old Mike Evans, Jordan Matthews. MVP contenders of Matthew Stafford going out to the NFC North and Soul Investor. Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate, Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Devonta Freeman, Robinson, Tannehill, Palmer, Panini Instant, and a Kids Report. Hope everyone out there is having a great holiday weekend. There's my boy up top, old Joe Flacco. Psych, I'm the biggest Joe Flacco hater you'll ever meet. Be 100% honest with you. Felt super thick. That pack felt super thick. Old Marcus Mariota up top on that one. Imagine he has a bounce back year with the Raiders. Imagine they bench Carr. I don't think that'll happen, but I think Carr's going to have a good year. Mariota was just one of those scheme guys, man. He's so good at Oregon and came to the league, and it just didn't translate. That would be hot. That would be hot if that's an auto. That would actually be hot. Derek Carr, Alshon, Big Ben, Ryan Tannehill, Carson Palmer, Jeremy Maclin, Jeremy Langford, MVP contenders, Aaron Rodgers going back to the NFC North and Soul Investor. Mariota again, Jarvis Landry, David Johnson. Old Cuddy Smoke. Robert Griffin in the Browns uniform. I forgot he even played for the Browns for like 6 games. Devonta Freeman, Allen Robinson, not bad. Touchdown tandems of Tom Brady and Rob Gronkowski. Who thought these two would both be wearing a different color uniform together at the same time? That'll be going out to the AFC East and Soul Investor. Instant Kids Report. Rob Gronkowski, I always ship these. Terrell Pryor. When I touch down, they do the Julio. Sam Bradford, Frank Gore. This guy's still playing. That's wild. So wild to think that Frank Gore is still playing. Kirk Cousins, Alex Smith. What is this? Legendary. Is that old? Ozzie Newsome. Wow. That's cool. That'll be going to the AFC North. Who has the AFC North here? Soul Invest. No. Bud Monkeys. That'll be going to Bud Monkeys. Le'Veon, Devin Funchess, Jason Witten, Rashad Jennings, Trevor Siemian, Russell Wilson, Steve Smith Sr. Will Fuller going out to the AFC South. AFC South is Jason Davis. Yeah, that was a wild conversation I saw earlier about Brady being in the Pats uniform, but since he plays for the Bucs, does it go for the Bucs? Absolutely not. It goes to what's pictured on the card. Kevin White. Travis Benjamin, Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins, Brandon Cooks. Our auto is going to be a guy that I have never even heard of, plays on the offensive line. Interesting, so that'll be going out to the Seahawks. Who's got the Seahawks here? It's going to be going out to Bud Monkeys. Bud Monkeys got the Seahawks. Cam Newton, DeMarco Murray, Devontae Parker. I think he's going to have a really good year. Andy Dalton, Peterson, T.Y., Tyrod. What is this, the round numbers? Yeah. Round numbers, Devontae Booker and Kenneth Dixon. That'll be randomed off. I don't know if anybody really wants that, but Kelvin Benjamin, old Des Bryant, Fitzpatrick, Blaine Gabbert. Second year of old famous Jameis. Keep those crab legs away from him. Zach Ertz, C.J. Anderson, and Thomas Rawls. Khalil Mack, Matthew Stafford, Antonio Brown, LaShawn McCoy, Matt Jones. We have a season ticket of Bart Starr. Oh, J.J. Watt. I mean, that's not bad. Rookie of the Year contenders, Derrick Henry. I mean, it's not the best, but it's something, I guess. It's going to go out to the AFC South and Jason Davis. Rookie of the Year contenders of Derrick Henry. Still have nightmares of what this guy did to the Ravens last year. I'd rather not talk about it. Earl Thomas should be absolutely ashamed. That whole defense should really be absolutely ashamed. Kids Report. There's a Falco. Delaney Walker. Tom Brady. These are always shipped. That's going to be going to the AFC East and Soul Investor. Robert Quinn. Old Dougie Baldwin. Jeremy Hill. Stephon Diggs. And Blake Bortles. So that's going to be it, guys. Not the best box for sure. I mean, this was the best card to come out is the Rookie of the Year, Derrick Henry. So that's going to be it. I've got a couple more of these boxes coming just for like some cheap fun breaks. I've got 2 boxes of Dunruss 2020 Hobby from this year coming. And, of course, I've got a whole bunch of Optic Contenders in the background from 2018 and 2019 as well. Everybody have a great night. Have a safe holiday weekend. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon.